Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by granting the app storage and camera permissions so it can read files. Once done, open the import tool and choose your source. Tap the plus or import button and pick folders, an SD card, a connected phone, or a cloud account, then authenticate if needed. Make sure Wi-Fi transfers show both devices on the same network. If using USB, confirm file transfer mode. This gets your photos visible and ready for organization without delay. Once photos are imported, create an album or add tags to group related shots. This helps retrieval later. Select multiple images for batch edits. Adjust exposure, crop, rotate, and apply filters consistently so your library looks cohesive. Use the favorite heart to mark highlights and run the duplicate finder to free space. When you delete, check the trash for accidental removals. Make sure sync settings are correct if you want edits reflected across devices, and pause long operations if battery is low. To finish, enable automatic backup so new photos upload to cloud or an external drive. This prevents loss and keeps devices synced. When sharing, open an image, tap Share, pick recipients or create a link, and choose image size to manage bandwidth. Review library settings to set storage limits and clear cache if performance lags. If something goes wrong, restore recently deleted files from trash or disable and re-enable sync to force a fresh upload. This usually resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.